12:23 this afternoon. Hopefully you're enjoying your lunch hour. It is dry and probably now will be dry most of this afternoon. The clouds and the cool temperatures behind the rain from this morning kind of stabilize the atmosphere, so it's going to be hard for the atmosphere to recover to get too many more showers going this afternoon. But if any showers or storms do form over the next couple of days, rain can be heavy at times like we saw this morning. It probably won't be nearly as widespread the next few days, but there could be some pockets of heavy rain because there's a lot of moisture in the air. So rain chances are there at different levels, different degrees each day this week, but most of the time it's going to be dry. But each day, though, a shower or storm could flare up. Now, the rest of this Memorial Day, if you have plans, temperatures running mostly in the mid-80s now for highs. Kind of lowered the temperature a little bit, just too many clouds out there to really warm up today. But you can see all the rain that moved through last night and this morning. Rain was out in Starr County just around midnight, and then that was where it was heaviest, and then moved eastward. Didn't have any severe weather reports in terms of large hail or strong winds, but there were a few spots that got some heavy rainfall totals that caused a little bit of problems. But you see everything is cleared out now. Still a couple showers spinning up by Corpus Christi, and if you look to the southwest, there's still a couple of showers in the mountains. But again, it's probably going to be hard to get too many more showers going in the valley today unless we can break out into more sunshine. Everything's kind of cooled off right now. To the north, there were some bigger storms yesterday evening too in the hill country, but everything now is mostly moved out into the Gulf. So we could be setting up for a couple more showers and storms near the Texas coast north of us this afternoon, but probably not too many here. So temperatures are much cooler. Remember, last few days, heat advisories like 100 degrees, or if it wasn't 100, it felt like it was 115 with the humidity. But today, clouds are around and temperatures held down. We should be up in the mid to upper 80s later this afternoon, but temperatures running much cooler. So your day planner the rest of the day, still in the 80s at 3 p.m., 80s at 6 p.m., right around 85 degrees, and 9 p.m. around 82 degrees. And put a chance for a shower. A couple of small showers may pop up by 5 or 6 p.m. or later. Maybe a weak thunderstorm randomly late this evening and tonight. But I think, again, it's probably going to be hard to get anything going now the rest of the day. Future track, you see what that shows. Clouds, mostly cloudy skies around, and temperatures as we go through the day still being held down by the clouds. Now, late tonight, in and out of some clouds, but tomorrow, put the little thunderstorm icon on there. We could start to see a shower or storm pop up in spots tomorrow, even though future track has almost nothing. There's still a lot of moisture in the air, so something could form here and there, but not the big wall of rain that came through like this morning. And then as we go through Wednesday, still a little kind of a little disturbance off to the west and more tropical moisture in the area, so you could see a flare up of a couple showers or a storm again as future track shows by afternoon. But most of the time it's going to be dry. Just mainly a daytime shower or storm, and maybe even some left over for Thursday and even Friday too. So rain chances the rest of today and this evening now down to 30% with maybe a shower in spots, but Tuesday and Wednesday about a 40% chance of a shower or storm, mainly in the midday and afternoon hours as we heat up some during the day back into the upper 80s or so. But today highs near 86, mostly cloudy skies, maybe a shower in spots late as we get towards sunset, but probably going to be just kind of mostly cloudy and dry the rest of today. So light winds, not a bad day to be outside. I mean, if you dug outside this afternoon, just clouds keeping temperatures down, so pretty good day. And then down to 73 tonight, maybe a possible shower or storm in spots later tonight, but probably, again, dry in most areas. No big line of rain or storms expected to come through. And the first 7-day forecast, rain chances, you saw the percentages the next few days at around 40% Tuesday and Wednesday, probably holding around 20 to 30 by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But each day there could be a shower or storm pop up. Those days, though, aren't looking like what we just went through this morning. Probably not a big line of rain or, one of the situations where everyone gets rain. But enough clouds the next few days to probably keep temperatures down mostly in the upper 80s in general for highs. Maybe a few spots in Starr County go into the low 90s, but no more really hot stuff for most of the week. It does heat back up some beginning Saturday and Sunday as the rain chances kind of start to dry up and more sunshine comes out. But not too hot, not too cold the rest of this week, but maybe a shower or storm each afternoon coming up in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.